Hello guys, welcome back again. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. I am Velino, a beauty and lifestyle blogger. Today, welcome to my home. I am going to take you guys on a tour, on a journey, how to entertain people in Nigerian homes. Just in case you're looking forward to marrying a Nigerian or African, we are always in the celebration mode. As long as it's more than 2 or 3 people, it's a party. So welcome. I am going to take you guys to my kitchen to show you guys what I prepared today. Okay, so keep watching.
So it was really like about 10 to 12 people that we are expecting. But being Nigerian, you have to make food and drinks for at least 50 people. Yes, being Nigerian.
Like I said, entertaining in Nigerian household doesn't matter if you're entertaining 5 or 6 people. More than 2 people is a party in our community. So for the first time, I baked jollof rice. I learned this from online, from YouTube. Baked Niger jollof rice. Woo! Yes. And I'm gonna show you guys what I made. I made some peppered chicken. Yes. Rice. And then over here, you guys will see this later when we unwrap that. This is some fish. Nigerian most popular fish, but I am not going to let the cat out of the bag now. So keep watching. We're going to be having some yam. I made some yam and I made a delicious sauce for the yam. This is owa, red oil with some spices inside here. And the yam is, I boiled some yam. This is some yam. And then I made some vegetable soup. So when my guests start arriving, we are going to be dishing things out. But I want to make something that I learned on YouTube today. Mango mojito. Oh my God, pray for me that I'm going to get it right. Mango mojito. Let's go ahead. The guests are here. I told you guys that if you're having more than 2 people in your house, as long as it's Nigerian, it becomes a party. And there's a special way of getting guests, right, to your house. You gotta cook like you've never cooked before. Cook varieties. Orishi. Hello, guys. Say hello. This is the... Okay, we're gonna eat that. Hey, if I'm a message, if I'm a video me, so.
Yes, so this is really something that I keep asking myself that is very organic. Whenever we go to events or go to people's house, the men will sit differently, the women will sit differently. I don't know why that happens. If you know, you tell me, but I reserve my comment towards the end of the video. So I forgot to do the video when I was making the mango mojito. You can see the mojito in this picture, in the yellow picture. That's the mojito. It didn't video or my camera wasn't set properly, but I'll make a different video to show you guys how to do mango mojito. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you are liking the page. If you're watching from YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube. And in one of these days, I'll teach you how to do mango mojito. So keep watching.
You guys are here today because 2 weeks ago we had a blast. My husband's birthday and our 33 years anniversary. Wow. It was a surprise. I know that my husband was gonna invite you. My husband, if he had his way, he would invite you. I was in the car the day you guys were talking and the party was the next day. I was scratching my head. After he dropped the phone, he was telling me how good he is, how they met, how he came in from Nigeria, you know, and unfortunately, it didn't happen. And also the people here that were here for the 2 days back-to-back party, they are so here, you know. It's just to say thank you for going out of your way to do the things that you did to help support the 2 days party. You had your family, you have a job to do, you have other things to do, but you left everything to be here to celebrate us. Leonis, please bring the camera over here.
So anyway, before I finish talking, I just want to take you guys on a little tour, just in case you didn't watch this video, either on YouTube, on Facebook. It was a 2 days party. This is the first day, party day number one. It was how many? It was about 12 couple, which is 24 people. It was a white affair, and it was done outside the city where we lived, in one of the most beautiful islands close to Toronto. We spent the nights in the hotel. Like I said, it was a very big surprise. I wanted to surprise this man, the man you've been with for 33 years of your life. He deserves everything, and he doesn't deserve anything mediocre. So I went all out to do this party, this event. It was the event of the year, of the century. Like I told you guys, it's a 2 days party. So what you're looking at right now is day one, and then the second day was at the home, and I will take you guys all the way to the house after this little getaway. So let's go ahead and see the second day of the party. So the next day of the party, you know what? There is some music in this video, but I just have to take it off. This was done at home. So the next day we checked out of the hotel. He still didn't know that something was happening. I had to come home first to help the event planner to put things together at home while he was still at the hotel at the little island where we went. So here in the afternoon, he arrived. He came home. I left him first and come home to the house. So at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, our big son went to pick him up from the hotel. So just right from the hotel to the backyard, some guests were already there. Everything was planned. He was so shocked and so surprised. I didn't include the first part of this video because I don't want it to be unnecessarily too long. When he came home and saw a whole bunch of people, he was shocked and was so surprised. So here is the party. That's the party at home. Yes, some people are here, friends, families. Yes, did we really surprise him? Yes, we really surprised him. And when you have things planned and they really went the way you wanted it to be, my heart was so overjoyed. My husband was so happy. Like, you know what? I really blew off his mind, and this is exactly what I wanted to do, to blow off his mind. When you have a man that supports you in everything you do, he plays his husband role all the way to the next level. He plays his daddy role all the way to the next level. Why do you have to hang on? Why do you have to not celebrate your significant other? Let me tell you guys something. Some people that might be watching this will say, oh, you're lucky. Oh, no. There is no word called lucky. Two of you have to make it work. When I say two of you have to make it work, it's not balanced when only one person is working and the other one is not working. So he deserves everything for being the best dad, for being the best husband. It was one of the greatest parties that Toronto can never stop talking about. So yes, I couldn't add. Oh, that's our first child. Oh my God, did you guys see him? Oh my God, look at him. Yes, God is so kind. I can't thank God enough. My big sister came from Houston. People came from Nigeria. People came from all over the world to celebrate, celebrate you. So, what is the point? If you are an Igbo person, you will understand that Igbo people spend so much money when people die. It is not important to spend so much money when people die. Celebrate one another when you're alive. And this is our 33 years of being together as well. You know what? Uh, that's our last child over there. And oh my God, KV.
So, if you guys have been watching the videos or the video, I'm not sure the ones you've watched. The lady here is the CEO of Golden Moment Event. She's the scheme. Yes, yes. She's the scheme. When I say scheme, she planned everything was so detailed from organizing, from the invitation to the people to the colors, including the outfit. She even told me, Casey, I need to see the outfit you're wearing that day. Did you book makeup? Did you do this? So she is everything put together. So Bikono, enjoy this night. We have something different. We made something different from what you usually eat at the party.
So, like I said, that I reserve my comments till towards the end of the video. I think that why men sit differently from women whenever we go for small gathering is because men just focus on talking about sports, Nigerian politics. This is mainly their conversation when we're out there. And the women, what do we talk about? We talk about fashion, we talk about hot flashes, we talk about our children, getting married, because women, if you're a woman and you have daughters, you can't do anything about it. It's a cultural thing. We talk about, oh my God, we're getting ready for marriage. When are you going to be a grandma? How old is your kids? Blah blah blah. That's mostly the discussion that women usually indulge in whenever we sit together, and this is why it's very organic. We sit separately and the guys do sit separately and talk about their sports.